you want to read Instagram messages without leaving a scene? Do you want to be able to see someone's message without the other person knowing? Then watch this video until the very end because I'm going to show you how you can do just that. Instagram has added a new feature in the new update where they allow us to turn off the scene for the Instagram messages. The very first step that we have to do is to open our App Store if you are on iPhone, or the Google Play Store if you are an Android user, and then you want to check if you have the latest version of Instagram installed on your device. This is a new feature that they rolled out, so you have to update Instagram if you want to be able to do this. My app is fully updated, so I'll exit my App Store and I'll open the Instagram application and go over to my DMs. Now, if I want to turn off the scene and be able to read the messages that this person sends me without leaving a scene, I have to click on the person's name at the top. The privacy and security, and you should be able to see an option that says Read Receipts. This option is enabled, and that means that the person will be able to see the scene that you leave on the message. We will turn this option off, and I will switch to my other Instagram profile and send a message to my first profile on which we've turned off the Read Receipts option. I'll then switch back one more time and open the messages from the second profile. As you can see, we've opened the conversation and we've seen the messages which App Tutor sent us. And I'll switch back one more time and open the same conversation. As you can see, there is no scene, even though we've read the message from the other profile. And that's essentially how you can read Instagram messages without leaving a scene in the latest Instagram update. Just turn off the Read Receipts option, and they won't be able to tell if you've seen the message or not. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.